That's better. Rolling around, rolling around.
Break your contact off for a second. Take your tissue ball. Gel the skin on her cheek. Take that tissue ball. Watch your cheek. Bang. You know what I mean? And I'm not messing around with you. But I'm going to take it. I'm going to hold it. And take my contact off. So protect the skin. Okay. Stay put right there. Open the closed jaw for me, please. Alright, just like we've done 1,000 times before, don't hesitate. Nice and fast. Good follow through all the way back. Nice.
Woo!
Put it on there.
Oh yeah.
Just going to lay on her side for about 5 minutes. Okay? Just going to watch your clock. Power's on. Power's on. For the farmer's market. After 5 minutes, you just sit her up. She's going to sit on the end of the table real still. I'm not going to move her head around. As she's sitting there, you lower the headpiece all the way down. Arch her. Lay on her back. 5 on the side, 5 on the back. After that second 5 minutes, get up, walk the aisle, a couple times, reset posturally, bring her back down, get your leg check. Okay? We sign your paperwork.